Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to change location on Roblox. To change location on Roblox is a simple process. To do that, open your Roblox application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your Roblox account. Then here you'll be taken to the home page. Now here you can see more option at down right corner. Tap on more. Then scroll down and look for settings, then tap on settings. Now tap on account info at first. Then here you can see information regarding your account. Now scroll down and look for location. Tap on account location box, then select your location. To select the location, tap on the circle present on the location name. With that, now here you can change your location only once. Your location determines what is allowed on your account, including the currency used for gift cards and purchases. If you are not sure why you need to make this change, then you should not continue with the further process. After that, tap on set location. With that, your location will be changed. As you can see here, my account location has been changed. Now, if I want to change my location, then I need to contact Roblox support to change the account location. This is how we can change location on Roblox. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.